Mocha kanjani bathini ngisemotrend Paula Snake gang ngisembolweni
Welcome to
I'm talking about this trash. Trash, man. You are twig with a twiggy salad blank ironing board. What the fuck is this? You took a military jumpsuit. Trash, pelters, all my mail. Let's stop this shit right now. Look at the day.
but I'm in I feel like Uncle Waffles and maybe better like because that jive of Uncle Waffles.
This DJing thing.
Bro, as you know, for me, it's like all the chicks that want to be DJs, they have to live up to that standard.
Yeah,
bro. Dudes, bro, just be DJ.
Oh,
they're working, bro. Look, you can make millions just by doing that. Do you know what? Because they're actually DJing, bro. These bitches have to do a lot of shit because, you know, first of all, she doesn't even understand how this thing works. All she did is put in her fucking set.
Yeah.
Now she has to look busy. If she doesn't look busy, she has to do something else. Because what else is she gonna do?
Because it's like kakazakudala filters that DJs mkhule umculo zimlande lala way kakine mixtape ezinensi ine mixes abantu bayazi mixes abantu iyenza le nto
Dog. So our remix for me.
Most of the time ngoba vese after bana kwazi dibanisa nje athi samukwazi yone turntable
vaso benzo mujo shayla way yakho
funda ezindiyenza le
yeah, bro, chicks just be twerking, bro. So I'm not gonna lie. Like real talk, if dog we set yako ndiyobukela like Prince KB, bro, I watch Prince KB live, bro. Niggas working, bro. Niggas working. Bro, if you have the time to get up in front of the set and theater, better a 5-minute routine. You're not doing shit, bro.
Say forget mix ba.
You're not doing anything, bro.
Like good DJ, murder.
But yeah, but this is how it makes. Because the thing is still, dog. We are spana lamjita. So feel it. I mean, look at these bitches, bro. Every single one of them, close up. She's pressing. Sometimes I got soft now. No. Now.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm looking at you, bro.
Mix,
I'm looking at you, bro.
Mix.
Oh, fuck, Linda. Bro, sometimes it's not even some corner la yenza ne, but yeah, yazba ayiko le. I don't know, ayiko le we apakle track ne. So now, bro, akondi yenza you le if you're really looking.
But like, you like
timer is sound.
That's how yenza mix na. Tally mix with USB. I know the yenza effects because there was fucking effects.
Yeah, it's a way, dog. Dude, you're not doing anything, bro. I can get up there and fuck some shit up too, bro. Because that's what you're doing. You're literally fucking up the mix.
Yeah, man.
You prepare the mix. Now, all you're gonna do is just...
If dancers zagalendo, like Uncle Waffles dancers, they must be on some cocaine and shit. If it's a jive I set you on here. And my ass no more is on here. So
how can you say that, bro?
Like
I rehearsed about when people have rehearsed and shit.
And your track is on here now. There's a mix, dog. People
have rehearsed, bro. People have rehearsed. Oh yeah, maybe they like sometimes I could say like people like fans can also request most shit. Shout, so what I'm thinking is, you see dancers, they rehearse a
yeah,
bro. But okay, this choreography. But you go the lead dancers like okay, number 2. Okay, so there's a set is me. So I think because
what should you do like
yeah, of course, dog. Because real talk, this is the thing. About as a dude, Anzo's hard time now. I'm not gonna lie, like, okay, your man umculo grand. Ngiyobukela ekhaya embougie, shaking that booty, bro. You know what I mean? Even chicks, but chicks aren't gonna say it like that, which is weird because they can. Like, because we came to watch Cyan. Bro,
did you hear like
what did she really do, bro?
I bet DJ I'm like
and for chicks it's like I feel like it's cool for them because like they'd love to be up there playing that shit. As a guy, it's like, what the fuck, bro? I have to work.
I feel like Tinamaji the art to most Yamaji. These were like art like.
And this is not like Anyancho of it. It's gonna sound like misogynistic or some shit. It's not even misogynistic, bro. Like this is from the beginning of the time. Why do you think most fucking famous singers and most famous actors are pretty? Because that's what sells, blood. My guy, you can be as ugly as fuck. What's gonna sell for you is your work.
Yeah.
Work. That's what I'm saying, bro.
Dog. You wouldn't say Samuel Jackson Bay it's work.
No, but he's there. We call like Lawrence Fishburne, bro.
Sitting a South African artist like
I don't want to say people are ugly, bro. Come on. Bro.
Okay. I'm a siege dog, like, you know what to do?
You call a kaki migoto la malaga? I don't know, I'm joking.
True, but sometimes it's the art. But most, I feel like not all female DJs. They are like female DJs as a hot out.
DJs in bra. That's a real DJ, bro. No. Lemiz also be fucking twerking now and shit. I've been seeing her shit, bro. Like, look.
I must not DJ, but I've watched her say, like she knows.
She knows what she's doing now. Yeah, no, that sounds good, bro. But I've seen her also out here. But no best right pressure now. But okay, like this is what female DJs are selling now. So I have to go sell that. Bro, like real talk. Imagine your wife, dog, as a cool channel now. Imagine your bro. Nah, bro. I'm telling you now. Yeah, it's worse. Also. You know what? It's worse. It's worse for kids. But still, dog. Imagine it's your wife up there, bro, just throwing booty, bro. Just throwing that shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? She's never done that shit at home. What? I'm just saying. That is not even about that. Just Lando. Okay. Let's say your wife is a DJ. And now we train most of your DJs now have to throw ass, bro. You know what I mean? Now, you know, what's the conversation like in your house? Is there even a conversation in your house? You know what I mean? That's what I'm asking, bro.
I understand, but you don't have like I say gaming, so they understand happening. This is what we do.
Dog, but Mbeezy is gonna be the reason why I understand. Because I understand. Dog, bro, as a dude, gang, look at the fucking look at the video girls. No about the music industry. We know, bro. We know, because there's no way. Those chicks at the end of the shoot they get invited to the fucking afternoon.
Yeah, bro.
What? Come on, bro.
So idea got leaked. I don't know how. No, dog. Like after they saw her name, they were like, alright, I've been saying.
What? Why?
Her name is Zimbabwean, bro.
No.
Honor and Victory.
What do you mean?
Like
her name is Honor and Victory.
Honor, let's be Victory. Zuma, dog. But like Zuma, dog. Her name was fucked up. But yeah,
yo, cool, you Honor and Victory. Yo, she probably hated that shit.
We wanna know.
My only.
How
Victoria. Shame, bruv. No, man, like real talk. Like I think he paid it about the generation.
Actually paid it.
Yeah, I think it ended like a couple of years ago. Like maybe 5-10 years ago. He paid that generation.
Yeah, I think in the 90s was changing this in the 80s, 90s, yeah, bro.
Yeah, he paid that generations, bro. The 80s suffered the last.
Yeah.
They suffered the last, but
Hey, bro. I'm 2K because I'm 2K hours. Is a 2K.
Yeah. Generation. What generation is it again?
Generation Z.
Z. Is it Z?
C to Z.
No, bro.
The millennials, ngoba.
See, it's millennials.
When 90s, 99s.
90s and shit, millennials, and then it's Generation Z, Gen Z, yeah, Gen Z.
Yeah,
after. So you're Gen Z, bro.
But you Gen Z, funny.
Yeah, bro. All you niggas are fucking up the world. It's you niggas, bro.
Yo, Joe.
And then who is no brain rot. Yeah, Gen X, bro. The brain rot kids, bro.
The last generation. She was the last generation, dog.
Joe, I'm a police for 20 years now. Brain rot kids, bro.
Yeah.
How's the law gonna work, dog?
But these are patwa law by the time, because the ass was patwa is not up. So maybe in the next 40 years, I
wanna fuck some shit up too, bro. Yeah, I'm joking. Yeah, real talk, as in we want to like, dog, like, you've been thinking about your life like your whole life, you know what I mean? Like I'm thinking slower nowadays, like getting older and shit. Like I used to want to like live the rapper life and shit like, but like right now, like I just want to farm, gang.
Dog,
like dog, I just want to farm, bro.
I'm like you, like just
Kalahar Desert or some shit. Good as fuck, dog. No taxes, no fucking prepaid electricity, my own water, bro. There's like dog sustainability, 100%, bro. Bro,
that like you've noticed that dollar by yours stream, man.
Yeah, dog. What that fake life, bro?
This my friend is in those ways. They got trouble. We playing halo, dog. Like poof, let's not play halo, but this thing so halo.
Yeah.
Didn't plan for shit. This is hopes. Like
hopes and dreams, bro.
I'm 26, I want to be rich, dog, and shit.
Driving
like
my fucking car and shit.
But move from my second hand,
it's a scooter, bro. That's a mode of transportation, bro.
No, it's not about. It's like a survival.
Hey, dog, we're not even living, bro. We're not even dreaming anymore, bro.
Surviving, dog.
When's the last time you even had a dream, bro?
And yes, I feel like we're running out of time, dog. Especially when we reach December last year. Come on, damn, I'm on 26 and I'm still broke.
26, right? Jesus Christ.
And I'm still broke, dog.
Bro,
I just wish I was 20 years old, dog. Like,
I feel it too. But it's not, man. Like, fuck it, bro. I don't give a shit, man.
But it's not
it is what it is, bro.
But to life, color at 40, so
yeah. I can't wait that long, my guy. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Hey,
live now, dog.
Nah, dog. Can't wait that long, bro.
I just want Imali, dog. I think I want to go to Nigeria, dog. If I'm not going to be successful in like the legal way, I have to go to Nigeria to a university of scammers. Scare me, funny.
You don't have to go to Nigeria.
Okay, I need to go to Central.
Bro, but when I'm to know if my laptop on like cartel, good dark web. For man, only tools need you do your shit one man drive and can't you do now need to patalam do.
But I'm the name is in using our Zaz. Look at this guy as a gatekeeper on that gatekeeper out there. I give it a girl for nothing. But yo,
man, I feel like if you want to go into a life of crime, and I'm not endorsing shit right now. I'm not trying to like, well, if you want to go into a life of crime, guy, don't implicate other people, because that's quickly how you get implicated into shit. That's what I'm saying. Dog,
but I'm not gonna do that shit.
On the side, there's no chance of anyone, unless you fuck up in a major way, there's no chance of anyone no one snitching on you, no one making any mistakes.
Currently watching a movie right now in series on Perry, dog. Yo, dog, that shit is lit, dog. Like so I'm really that only business it was him. Now jobs. No. Money jobs from people, gangsters. Then I was in, yo, I got this handle. Yeah, who's that on? I asked you why on it. He was kid like, but yo, funny. Call me as him, then I enter the job. Sapagum, and then Barry ends the job, but Barry met two friends zaza nomunye achosi azibhaqa seyixela bajo yo after that shit went sideways.
I think senfumane those sleeper jobs, bro. Look, dog, Barry. There's a nigga that works for niggas, right? So he gets called. Then you get called. Oh yeah, now Lendo. Tata you're a delivery driver.
How come I start hitting his vehicle? I just plan island.
Apply. I'm applying for a job, bro. Delivery. I don't know what it is. I'll never look.
That's next show.
I'll never look, bro.
But yeah, what's the ends of the way? Because Uber.
Man, look, drop this. And I'll need to play it up. So play it. Hey, I don't look. But then it can't be.
But I saw me.
Shake, it's like imagine Shake, it's like a drug dealer, this, bro. You know. Nobody even has to know that you know. Yeah, bro. All he does is just Uber.
Yeah.
And text and burn about situations or request when I accept that because you can't like request for you personally.
Yeah,
you request to open accept that when boom.
And that's share it.
And we are when about the policy in Uber packages. You're just picking up I notice a Chambi says, why you always frequently the Uber that picks up. Yeah, well, that's the thing.
Can you know why
different locations.
Solo like standing solo le phone? Can you touch me one?
You're the Uber. It doesn't matter. How yeah, no, we're on the burner phones. Yeah, but he's gonna have to make it different locations. Every single time it's gonna have to be a different. Otherwise, like, why are you always coming to this? No way. No way. Yeah, bro. But then also the price.
I don't think Baz was cut it then.
You know.
There's a way.
Who?
Time you got my request as a teen. It's John. You go stop his tail, then go stop his tail in the wheel up. Hana was going to get back now. I'm going to get back because it's going up. Because it's going away.
Okay, yeah, away.
But yeah, what's going in the way?
Yeah, but we're literally planning shit. That's crazy.
What's the suspects that way?
Smoke, these niggas are smart. Why did you do that shit? Call these niggas, bro.
Tell them anyway. Happy 2026, guys. You're born anyway.
Holy shit, it's 2026,
2026, though, the first episode of the year. I'm your boy, Lloydstaxx, and it's paid to Mbeezy.
Yes, sir.
If you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. We are back forever.
Let's go.
And ever. Emotionally. All the time, but yeah, I'm 2026. What's new? Like what? Like every year, resolutions. And this year, I'm because Kandi's is not in the last year.
Real talk. Sorry, I don't even think I had like it was. Oh shit, I had. It's just to fucking walk. Yeah, I did that. Okay, I only have one. I always have one. Yeah, bro. One thing that is big, that is like a life-changing thing. Yeah, bro. Yeah, well, it's just one thing that you can manage, man, in a whole year, basically. Yeah. So this year, it's definitely to get my license, bro.
Yeah,
that's my thing, bro.
Dog, me too, dog.
That's my thing,
the license, dog. But I don't want to say, I'm not trying to tell things like influence and that, but like.
Sometimes speak it into existence, but then most of the time when you really want something, you speak it alone into existence. You know what I mean?
Dog, and I'll make sure that by the end of the year,
yes, sir.
But if you try out, this year I want to try Bitcoin, dog. Like,
Bitcoin, bro. We were supposed to do that like in 2008, my guy. But when Bitcoin was like 50 cents, my guy.
Dog, it was like $1, dog.
Now,
1.5 million right now. Imagine Bitcoin J1, dog.
And you know when Bitcoin, back in the day when Bitcoin was coming out, people were laughing.
Ew,
because it was so cheap. Like, bro. If I had bought Bitcoin,
I forgot his name, but I'll search it right now. The Bitcoin guy, dog.
The nigga that invented Bitcoin.
No, there was this other black dude, right? YouTube, Yatibana, everybody buy Bitcoin for $1. It's just $1. Just buy one Bitcoin. Next 8 years, the value will grow and you'll be millionaires.
Bruv.
I tell you, Bitcoin like most jingati right now. Didn't know this shit like in those times, but after 8 years, boom! Like is worth like 230 million right now. Just by investing in Bitcoin. Yeah, right? Now, each like go buy Casper. The Casper coin. Yeah, but it's only $1.
Whose is that?
Yeah? It's another coin. It's not a Bitcoin, but it's another coin called cryptocurrency. What?
When is that video, bro?
No,
Casper
like,
could be like $50 now.
No, like Casper, I think it was like 3 rand something, dog. Dog. So it's I'm just gonna do a
Wait, on Luno, doesn't it use like Ethereum or some shit? Ethereum?
Dog, you choose who you land. Ethereum, Bitcoins. There's lots of them. Let's check. Let's go to no the way. But yeah, like Luna it means that way. Stula sometimes. So Luna when you can buy Ethereums, even the Bitcoin, dog. I check them. Like I'm gonna try, like I'm taking the one, dog. Yeah, I'm just gonna try buy in the one as Bitcoin and shit. Buy Bitcoin to now for Bitcoin is like 1.5 million. Ethereum is like 51,000. Damn, I need that shit. Yeah, well, so in the person you work, so you get the F money prices in there. So I just want to do it time bank account because I don't trust this shit with my capital. I'm standing back, so I'll just do a time bank. Then money I'm in it, Tell you to invest if you need one about.
Yeah, we'll talk on
the next couple of years. I gotta do that shit. Yeah, like it's just 3 rand or fucking 51 rand. So
fuck around, buy 2, bro. Jiba, just to be safe.
Just to be safe.
Like real talk, I'm not gonna lie, though. Yo, with Bitcoin is the craziest, bro.
Bitcoin.
If you had 2 Bitcoins, bro, you lean it 8 and maybe wait 1 more. Sell just 1 Bitcoin and wait another 8 for the second one. Yo, bro. That's what these niggas do, bro. Yeah, bro. And the thing is, Bitcoin went up. Kept on going up, bro.
Imagine if $1 in the millionaire. So this year I'm gonna do it Bitcoin, dog. I wanna try it out. I'm taking coin one, but not Bitcoin, like Ethereum or something like that. Is it Cezanne or Casper and what? Is it cheap? Like, just try it out.
I think Ethereum works for NFTs also and shit.
NFTs, yeah.
That's the first time I saw Ethereum in London was
on NFT,
yeah.
Right, NFT, I pay a dog. Like, hype out. Like, everyone was talking about NFTs, but now.
You know, dog. These things, bro. These things, they come out, right? And then it's not that they die out.
Yeah.
It's just the hype. Because when it comes out, it's super cheap.
Hey.
Obviously, it's gonna die out now. It's like 50K.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? The only people who can do it now, that's why it dies out, because we're not busy with that shit. The people who are busy with it, they're good. They're good, boy. EFTs, they create businesses from the EFT and it costs like $1 million something, and another company wants it and they can turn it into like, they turn it into like cartoons, they turn it into shops, they turn it into clothing brands. Bro, NFTs. Yo,
multiverse. I was like, fuck, I'm living up universe, fuck the multiverse.
There was also I think there was a GTA Online NFT like in couple of years past or some shit, bro. NFTs are crazy, bro, because they go into every single industry.
But I died down with the NFT, but feeling what's happening, dog.
What you mean, gang? Life is happening, bro.
But then do you think it's World War III right now because
Donald Trump is wilding, bro.
Donald Trump is wilding.
Yeah, nah, I think these are the first like years of World War. Yeah, bro. I think these are the first. The video I watched after the Madrazo Ndondon, he counsel got Donald Trump, like the doing Congress talking about South Africa, bro, and how South Africa is a rising problem for us. Yeah, but they're moving with our enemies. Hey. Yeah, they're coming, bruv.
So, like, actually, everybody knows this, but Donald Trump just did the most gangster shit ever, dog.
I hope I get my money before they drop it. Real talk, though. When I was watching that shit, I'm like, yo, these niggas are, bro. What are you talking about, man? Hey, puff me on, my man. Dog. Elon Musk hasn't it gone already? Mama go doing all these Illuminati things and shit like that. That nigga's rich also, bro. That nigga's also rich, bro. And I don't think it's just Elon money, bro. I think that nigga
Elon didn't like that nigga because kind of funny the scholarship on a school. He
probably wanted him to like work in the fam and some shit. Did you ever hear that shit about what's this? He made it. Elon Musk, because back in the day, he used to talk about how Elon Musk was like a weird ass kid who wanted to do weird things,
like
dangerous, weird things to pay. What the fuck? And then still, mama, she does like weird ritualistic things, bro.
I only hear about things like that,
bro, don't you? Maybe I'm just too conspiracy theory, bro. But it's like these things are like in our faces, bro. I just ask the questions.
You go into deep, like I'm just on the shell.
Dude, you must go deep, my guy.
I only get deep.
No homo.
Like I'm into deep wild shit. Like I want to know about 116. How am I gonna survive? Like but like
we're practical things.
I wanna like even right now, like on social media, I don't wanna listen or watch political shit because it's for no reason. I feel like also it's gonna happen. So it's born another pressure.
I'm about saying years in Google. What the fuck, bro? But I don't think they'd ever drop a nuke on us, bro.
They'll never drop a nuke on us.
We don't have that shit, so they're just gonna bomb us.
But why do you think this guy took over Venezuela, dog? This guy just took over Venezuela.
Yeah, dog. There's a lot of reasons. There's a lot of different shits. But the main one is because Venezuela just discovered they have oil or some shits. So, and Mozambique, as soon as you have oil, it means your president's a terrorist.
Because
for real.
Terrorist.
As soon as you have oil or some shit that we want and you don't want to give to us. But the thing is, America doesn't come and say give us all the shit. They come and say, oh my gosh, we found oil. It's like, what do you mean we found oil?
So now I read this. I think I watched this other video. At first, the video that we say Venezuela, Trump, but hey, Donald Trump, Venezuela is bringing drugs to our countries. That the president is making drugs and sending them over to America. Next thing, boom, see what the guy saying abducting from the number door from in. Trump
That's it, dog. And it's like bro, America lies so blatantly, bro. Nigga was where in what country? How far away from it? But you guys can't do that to the drug dealers in the hood? Bro, it's like, come on, bro. And then coincidentally, in a couple of months, Maduro discovered oil in his country. So that has nothing to do with that.
Yeah.
Okay, you just discovered oil in your country. Why are you selling drugs? You're rich.
Bro, they're like,
dog, America. I'm thinking, bro, America doesn't care anymore, dog.
The weights between China and America. Because the reason why I'm saying this, because they tried to bring down the dollar at first, and then Donald Trump was like, no, So we're gonna bring back a dollar, to the highest level. Like the dollar is and breaks and one. And then he upped the tariffs. Was it the tariff wars last year? China are like, fuck it, now if I'm new tariffs, not some new tariffs. So after that, Donald Trump realized, yeah man, we're going in debt because in China we need them the most. Because China
produce everything.
Chinese produce everything, dog. So about how we going in debt here. Yeah, boy. The only thing China has enough money oil, and luckily
boom.
Oil about tech. Oil. And the story up and go for an press conference like I think it's all video is all like, oh, thank you to Venezuela. They gave us 30 million barrels of oil. Like, was I right? Is that number correct? Like, thank you Venezuela. They like working with us.
Maduro didn't want to work with them. Check. You see that the new person now that they're gonna put in. That's a CIA trained fucking. That's it. America does that, bro.
Dog, I believe she's Jewish. She's Jewish.
Exactly.
She's Jewish.
Fucking Israel, bro. Yeah. America, dog. They destroy your government and then they put in their own government. Bro,
now China and I'm trying it might take back Taiwan, and if it take back Taiwan, who out in America, Joe, because all the chips for his computers are in Taiwan. Imagine that, dog. Imagine if China can have control.
No, real talk. I'm not gonna lie. It's about time, man. Fuck America, dog. Like real talk. No disrespect to anyone, but like you are.
So we're so involved, God and because we're part of the BRICS, and even doing exercises, Navy exercises up in the coast of South Africa.
Look, I'm not gonna lie. We fucking need all the exercise we can get. Fuck that, bro. That's good. It's good.
Yeah, I'm a soldier.
But real talk, blood. Real talk. Fuck America, guys. America has been fucking the world up since the beginning. Fuck these niggas, bro. It's about time new superpowers rise, bro. Fuck these niggas, bro. They want a piece of everything. They literally think they deserve the world. Fuck these niggas,
power,
bro.
like greediness, like it's if it.
Bro, you can't discover the country. They're there. And as soon as you guys say no, they're killing white people.
Just
what? Dude, bro, every single time, as soon as you say no to America, my focus with law, and it's like, dude, like think about it. I used to go, like I used to teach kids, bro, like rich spoiled kids. They acted like that, bro. And then as soon as like because I tell it's like, no, bro, fuck that shit, bro. I was watching you the whole time. No, dude. Right, Landwana. Tell all the other kids to do that shit, bro. I don't like this little nigga, bro.
And because they're rich. It's not that by your ego, but in influence. Cause
like you see, like, bro, fuck that shit, dog. Fuck that shit. Fuck them. Fuck Trump. Fuck all that shit, bro. Young America.
Because they saying like South Africa should bring back nukes, dog. But I feel like nuke. Like, what promise? Because they working against the peace by America to give.
I remember there was a talk about no, like, but like it was back in Gogu Isatala Lewe BRICS, but Russia was thinking of creating a nuclear plant here. Bro,
it was shut down, dog.
You see, with a nuclear plant, load shedding ever. If we had nuclear power cannot be stopped.
You think load shedding like it's a move.
Yeah, I know. You know, what I'm saying is, if there was a nuclear a co-excuse, they would because nuclear power doesn't go off. That's why I'm saying with an electric power, they can turn that shit off. At a nuclear power plant, these are obvious, but no, because a nuclear reactor won't go off unless you turn it off or unless it explodes.
Getting ESCOM, but do you blame ESCOM for doing load shedding?
I blame capitalism, bro. It's capitalists, bro. I blame capitalism, bro.
Because in Jamaica, like South Africa, almost in South Africa, they don't pay for electricity, dog. And now Eskom had to make their own money. But I've said, yes, you know what? Asilendo. Fuck.
Okay. What?
But just stop on buying a dog. We can make $1 billion a day. So say Cooper back. La Malisi lost every day. But after that, it's huge.
Okay.
Like load shedding was in for a long time.
Eskom is most a private.
It's a private company, dog.
Yeah, bro. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. Private companies. It's a private company. They need profits, bro. So, dog, I'm not gonna lie to you. If I was the leader of Eskom and I'm saving billions, so I'd turn that shit off. I would turn that shit off, bro. And why wouldn't they do that, bro? You think an electrician's dream is to give you power? It's to make money from the power they give you, bro. So it's like, I'm not making money, bro.
Mistake Eskom because we've had like a 1 year now.
Wait, we're not using Eskom now?
No, like load shedding. Like we haven't had load shedding in a long time, and it's poorly.
Bro. Things have happened in like last year. Like, yeah, man, things have happened.
Last year about load shedding. But we get about but it's not okay, guys, we're gonna have load shedding.
Yeah, bro.
And then hooking up. Like it was consistent for some time.
Yeah.
Like almost.
But I'm just saying, I do remember a day, like very recently, for like 4 hours, if not like 6 or some shit.
That's why load shedding.
But
half it was low, dog. So ishowspeed was in South Africa.
Yeah, man, they deserved it.
What do you think they deserved? Oh, bro.
No, dude, they like real talking about why I'm saying they deserved it is because it's like, look, bro, I'm not trying to be a hater or nothing. Some niggas just really needed reminding, dude, you're just a normal guy. You know what I mean? I feel like niggas were shown by you. Oh shit, sort of celebrity. Bro, I'm not being a hater, but that's Sibukela song it, guys. Sibukela song it, guys.
And again, they're the top of this celebrity.
Bro, who makes a celebrity, bro? It's the fans. The reason you're saying that is because you're making him work with your manza. That's how celebrities are made, bro. We don't give our niggas enough.
This is the South African real. Like I in the city, like okay, they buy the food, but then they sell the food over here at a nice price. This is so weird to me, bro. Someone's just starting his own small stall over here, and this over here is the first black.
Nigga was like, you go all the way traveling the latex because the cakas feel from things selling knickknacks and niggas was like that. It's like, bro, chill, bro. I'm not gonna buy knickknacks from you, bro.
This is water. I won't spit. Is this water? Like tatamans. When you try to go and advertise, more fire you than one
bro.
But I see Bonnie let us so it though. Like,
hey, bro. Like no disrespect away. Nigga was promoting his shit and like real talk. Like the tiny little response that came when people were like, oh, they're running after, and it's like, bro, that's what I do. For anyone who comes here, that's what I'll do. I will run behind them that's what I do. And I was like, oh, where? That's the hustlers.
Was a hustler.
Yeah,
we gotta give it to Dust Boy.
I was watching the El Tito network, bro, watching all these niggas on that pod, bro.
No, it's about
niggas, even now, bro. Even now, humbled, bro, niggas are humbled. Even now,
could have saved you,
bro. Siv is like still. I still see him that day. I can't see Siv another way now. Dimbona discipline. Bro, listen to me, bro. And that's what was supposed to happen because Yenze get away. Bone utata. Bro, real talk, you know, bro. You'd act some bitchy way if you saw fucking Drake come pop up at you, and he's right here at you, bro. Like up dog, man, bro. The thing is with us, Cass is portraying artists so izolindeleka apha kuba uzoba fanboy. Bro, no one's gonna be like, oh my god, this nigga bitching or born. Yo, Mazita funding. They ignore what left, right, and center.
King Oma, dog.
Yo, Queen Oma, bro. Queen Oma.
I speed, you wanna play FIFA, dog? I'll be the kid, dog. You wanna play
20v1, bro. I was like, nigga, I ain't tryna 1v1 you, bro. I was like,
yeah.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
PlayStation club. Imagine.
Oh yeah, is that the one? Cause
there's chicks around and you wanna play FIFA. Like the Indo-Bit, like Lloydstaxx tour South Africa, the most one-bit time that was the car spinning, dog. I think it was
that shit was fun.
Car spinning.
Even as South Africans, we want to do that shit, bro. Everybody in South Africa want to do that shit. Even though you
board the part because you don't do any color, like this other color do about it. And I was born in Jan, but we're doing. I was okay, so and the more than the spin I start.
I swear to God, Trump was gonna bomb the shit out of us. They killed our boy. He doesn't even care about us. That's just another excuse, bro. You see, bro, it was a mistake. He would have bombed us, bro. That nigga's just waiting for any excuse, bro. But nah, man. I'm not hating. I still love these guys. I still watch them and shit like that. But yeah, bro. Like sometimes it's like you need to be reminded. Sometimes, well, yeah, bro. You just
this guy's bigger than you.
Yeah, bro. And yeah, bro. Speed is big, bro.
Speed is big, dog.
No diddy. Speed is huge, bro.
But then I saw this other that new gen podcast said I trended first. I made speed trending.
And it's like to me, it's like, what do you mean? What are you saying? Like you made his career? Okay, you made him trend. Yeah. Up in South Africa. What does he mean?
Wow, Speed, you know, was South Africa's first game in ever. First South Africa's, it was against Argentina. I'm like, yo, funny let's search it, dog. Was he lying? How do you think about that?
Bro, look, man. You're having a really tough day if you have to search what notice is, bro. You're having a really tough day, bro. You're trying to find some shit. Come on, bro. Notice is everything, dog.
Yo, dog.
Man, I'm shit, man.
But I show ishowspeed is a mess, dog. I saw that, yeah.
And the Nix around ishowspeed, I'm glad he came here. It was awesome. He showed Americans. I was watching e-reaction here. Americans, the niggas were crying and shit. Like, oh my god, I love ishowspeed. It's like, bro, what do you guys think this place is like? Boy, talking about the motherland. It's like, bro, you could be from Zimbabwe. Shut up,
doggy.
Oh, bro, when Speed went to the motherland, bro, the love, man. You could feel the love, bro.
It's like we thought it was the jungles, the lions everywhere,
yeah, you guys are, bro.
It's even though it's slightly issue, but yo, bro, it's Pila.
Even, bro, struggle is in the mind, gang. Struggle is in the mind, bro. Real talk. The reason people think life about Mpilayo is in the dumps is because they see other people living in higher places, so then they immediately think, oh, so I'm in shit.
Yeah.
Well, and it's like, dude,
dog.
Dude, you eat every night, every day.
Hey, Joe.
You have a place to sleep, a warm place. You have love around you, bro.
You're good, dog.
Good, bro.
You're good. That's what you need, dog.
And you think, rich people's lives are so fucked. People killing each other, bro. Family members that don't even talk, bro. And it's just what we see that we think, oh my god. That nigga drowning in sorrows, bro. That nigga hasn't talked to his family in 20 years, bro. You're surrounded by hoes. Yeah, they're pretty, but they don't love the nigga.
They just love your money, bro.
Oh, and about that's the one thing I fear in my life, bro. That's the one thing I fear in my life, bro. Not being.
For your hype these days,
yeah. And the real talk, nyani, bro. Bro, real talk, bonge dog.
All of them, dog. Like must not respect them, like women, but
yeah, no respect, blood.
50% of women, 50 don't want your
man.
money. They want your love. 50 want
bro,
your money,
look, man. I'm not saying they want your money, but biologically speaking, a woman, when they're looking for a person, they're not looking for a pretty guy. They're looking for security. Yeah, bro. It's a bonus if you're cute, Gil. They're looking for security. Security to a woman is, oh, this guy, he can provide. He can provide. Dog. Bro, trust, bro. Okay, sure, you're gonna smash for a couple of months, for a year. Bro, nothing. Why? Because the people she looks up to, they're getting taken out on dates. They're getting taken out on vacations. That's it. So nobody biology, her science, my guy, is gonna speak first. You know what I mean? Man, she might not leave you, but she's definitely gonna cheat. She's gonna act some type of way. Okay, she's gonna like be mean now. Yeah, like when you talk about not bonga balawi, dog, she's gonna start acting some type of way, bro. Trust, bro. Bro, like, I'm sorry, it's just the way it is. And growing up as a man, you see this shit go. Nah, bro, it's the way it is, gang. It's the way it is.
I'm grateful that you share my funny mali, but I don't know, baby. Time goes. Funny mali,
hey, bro, hey, look.
Never know, dog.
The only thing you can do as a guy is just make sure you there, bro.
Yeah.
And just make sure you got it, bro.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? The only thing you need to do as a guy, you know yourself.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just make sure you got it. You got it, bro.
Even if from down
it's hot. Just make sure you got it, bro.
Even if from down just make sure you're grand. Yeah. So like actually now you're not gonna lose your shit, like losing or losing like
calling you women for me to tell her like, dog, like what's your opinion on like a prenuptial marriages, bro?
First of all, I don't want to marry because of that, but definitely things away.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
They don't want you to think about that. But
I'm saying proof if chicks are looking for security.
Hey.
Why? So why? That's bro. Chicks have, bro, like real talk. I'm not trying to sound like an asshole, but like, bro, sometimes when you really look at it, bro, chicks be living life on easy mode, bro. Because first of all, she doesn't have to make it. You have to make it. And it's like, and it's not a must, ne? Because we are but trust me now.
Let me tell you something. I was looking at the picture of Oscar Mbone with his new house and shit like that. And then I saw his girlfriend. I'm like, hey, lucky. This chick is lucky, dog.
Like, did was pop that
dog. Nyani dog. All this nyani fit. I'm like, yo, this chick is lucky, boy. Like, Polile, I'm
not dog, as you know. Yeah. Traditionally, that's how shit's supposed to work, ne?
Yeah.
Traditionally, that's how shit is supposed to work. I'm supposed to go bring home the bacon, my guy. Yeah. Traditionally, that's how shit's supposed to work. But then how am I supposed to be a traditional husband when you're a modern woman? This is the problem. Bitches want traditional husbands, bro. They want traditional niggas, but their thoughts. No disrespect.
No, I mean like they can get fucked, but
it's not about getting fucked, bro. A thought isn't just
a thought, dude.
Bro. It's your activities, bro. Bro, if I get married to you, I'll groove him. No, dude, you don't. I'm not. Nah, man, groove you. Yeah, we're grown people, bro.
Boss, yeah, puma ne chomi yako
dog. That's what I'm saying. Yes, is a vibe. Yeah, even together. I find bro, you'll never have a successful man.
Man,
Yeah, it was badala from Sibetha City and from Bonus Love. You can't back so you will wind. But then, I swear to you now, bro, my wife's not going to cruise, dog. The fuck? Hell no, bro.
Well, that leads me to Lewe, Joe. Like, yeah, bona. Then I get like where chicks that like abusive relationships. Yeah, what? Like, I didn't get it, but now I get it because I'm in a situation like that, not with NIGERIAN. It's like work. But it's also span.
Security.
When you get treated like shit, like we come be bow out. You better in your manager, or you just want to leave, but at the end of the month you get their money, right? Yeah, boy. Whereas now my chair, they're in situations like that, like fuck. That ball via up, but anzo hama ngebenzi xa nimsebenzini anzo ifumana la allowance lawe
because she's because a woman looks for security.
And sometimes it's not all about imali, sometimes it's about love, dog. Like you love it. In love, no tool, that feeling, come on, yo.
So it's like, yeah, it's not gone yet. Yeah, but it's just, I can't speak for abused women. I don't know how.
But
yeah, bro, I understand.
Like I feel like you know, ninja, I'm come on, yo. That's no good times,
but yo, I'm a sister, yeah.
Oh, like like just like Cassie. I totally understand.
Yeah, no, I don't. Dog.
She was even signed under all the bad boys.
Yeah, bro. Look, okay, I understand, but it's not the same as Abba. Bro, Cassie, no, but Cassie, she would have been shot in the head, bro.
Yeah.
Niggas were getting threatened.
Yeah, boy, that way.
Kid Cudi was close with Cassie. That nigga was gonna die, bro. You think she could have just left, bro? Yeah. It wasn't the same as Abba. Abba, they can.
Feeling like. I'm not gonna say the nigger name now. I'm gonna say it right now, but then the beep out, yeah, boy. Yeah. So I saw this other chick this other day, right? Both blue eyes, dog.
His chick.
Yeah. Both blue eyes. And funny thing, but both blue eyes. Man, maybe blue, Joe. And then like I'm emva la jonge pants come tell them nana engayishile kaka. And then when I saw that nigga propping my camera, yo, nah, I'm jaya.
Find you. Nah, bro. Yeah, nah, real talk, bro. A lot of people, niggas use intimidation, bro. Nah, I'm fair to man.
Man, funny like about yo, bro. Like. I like masiyeke man lewe like andazi uphela njani we dog. I just don't know how GPV is gonna end, but I don't want to contribute to it. I don't want to negate it.
I think dog I think there should be like a law. Because a law is important in South Africa. There's always ngazitsaliyo. There's always English law books when say sentence when ba ukhetshwa azobanja ne but uzokhathwa unye yabo
yeah every time ngithwala
khathli kakazi 5 or some shit
just area yonke
nizlawe bona bro hey yabo countries lawe deep Africa efana zenziwe nezitshayiweyo man
funny like Joe like
because they still have like those ancient laws by accept dog. Mob justice isn't like a indonje yasekasi. That's culture, bro. Sekulungisa
phela. Suphinda uyenze.
Yenziwa lento apha, yenziwa lento. Yabo.
Sophina siyenza lento le. Le yokhamba. Sophina siyenza.
Nyatheli.
Yakayukudala zazikhathwa ikaka fonena wami. Angoku sakhathwa lewe ikaka lawe bana hey. Azino dog umthetho lawe. But yeah, I feel like it's 2026 and it's the 81st episode of AMO Trading all the time. I hope you like this episode because we did. Bonela, we are back and we're back and we're back like we never left, dog.
Hey.
Yeah, well, anything that you want to say on the closing, dog?
Hey, bro, this is the closing, bro.
You want to still add more stuff, dog?
Yeah, man, I feel like we
finna add more stuff, dog. I heard about this new sport, dog. Like, yo,
oh my god,
shit is crazy,
bro.
Dog. Like, no, like, boy, like, The ball is creative sport, dog, but I've never, never think about this kind of sport. Like,
so, bro, look, man, I don't want to sound racist. I don't want to sound racist, but you know, it wasn't invented by anyone of color, man.
No, dog, like, that's white people shit, dog.
Bro,
do you know how it goes, dog? Because so there's a new sport if you don't know, sperm racing. So what you do, you masturbate her
into like a pipe or some shit.
No, like you masturbate into like a copy. And then they will put your sperm, and then they will just see how fast your sperm is, dog. So it's not like where like you by the sample sperm quick, and then see born about so figure in like at the finish line. I don't know what they do, but yeah, born a partners and one is
bro, even like dog, even cutting it, dog, even like cutting it, bro. Who came up with that shit, bro?
Have you seen like a video?
Why? I don't want to see that dumb shit, my guy.
I was like born when they masturbating, dog. I was like born when they masturbating, but it's late, dog. You're like, guys, I'll never do that shit. But yeah, it's a sperm race.
Bro, nah, man. People, bro. I'm your band, man, guy.
What do you want to do, dog?
What you mean?
Like, what do you want to talk about right now? Calling number for head. Oh, I forgot. Tyler Perry.
Yeah. That's why I was going through the text and shit.
Last year it was with Diddy, dog, and they got.
Hey, bro, it's still Diddy, man. Should still to be continued, dog.
No, like what Diddy? From the sentence it was for like 48 months, dog. No,
I thought you were talking about like the exposing and shit.
Yeah, it's expose or more, dog. I'm even watching the like interviews of the guys that were involved, especially the escorts for Cassie, dog, and shit like that. Sorry, like that guy was doing some crazy shit, dog.
When I like I can fuchane man, be palum man, that nigga hurt, bro.
Yeah.
That nigga's hurt, bro. When you watch videos of what they did back in the day, like in the studio, with boardrooms, like, and you see niggas, bro, and you're like, damn, bro, niggas. But when you watch it now after hearing all the shit and you look at niggas, you're like, bro, these niggas don't want to be here, bro. Go on there. Like, I can traumatize. How you feeling, baby? How you feeling?
Fabulous on like a drink champ. So like, why don't you want to party anymore? Boy, they're like,
I like when you do that, daddy. Yo. Drink champs, I think those niggas made those niggas are the ones that get you drunk most first, right?
Yeah,
those niggas knew what they were doing.
Listen, yeah, show got titty, yeah, they under OTD, the drink champs. They under. That's why they will never say any bad shit about it. Even right now, like about titty dicks, like
those niggas is fucked, bro. Yeah, bro. Nah, those Kiba for sure, bro. They diddy, bro. Come on, bro. Dog. Come on,
this born is away, dog.
Yeah, for sure, dog.
Dog, like I was like, calling you, Gaga, let's interview about the escort. So it like funny, you know what he used to do? Cassie would tell them, okay, come inside me or come on my stomach, right? So they ends alone. Then you after he created lamji that they would go into when your room. Then I don't know what they would do there, but this other time it like Gaga funny, being a quasi theater funny. So don't be like that. Yeah, but like being a he couldn't come and he faked it. So I took care of and then quick back that room. It like after 5 seconds did you have volume was like did you come there, my bro? And like yeah I did. And I did. He went back in the room and then boy and I was like, hey, when are you sure you came inside? And like yeah,
bro,
that's okay.
That nigga,
I'm like, bro, yo, bro.
I heard from like a comedian, don't the fat Jew or some shit, yeah, bro.
What you doing?
He was probably eating the cum out of her shit, bro. I swear to God, bro. I don't swear to God that I know. I'm saying that's what I think. Because before even these trials and shit, and the nigga was saying the fat Jews, like he's like a comedian or some shit. Like he went to a Diddy party one day, in your room. All these huge black niggas in white gowns and shit, and they all had like glasses full of cum, bro. Glasses full of cum, bro.
I think I've heard something like that, dog. Like,
and it's like, look, man, I don't see what they were doing with it.
Hey,
why would cum be in a champagne glass?
Hey,
why? All of you guys?
Hey, he's rich. This guy is rich.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
Illuminati, dog.
This is what I'm saying. You always say this, bro. You love conspiracy theories, bro. I just look at shit and I ask questions because it's like, why do all rich people do weird things? Just why? I mean, like it's like people will see something and they'll just move on.
What?
It's like, dude. Did you see that? Like, why do white people? I mean, all these rich people. Why do they do the weirdest shit, bro? They all have weird relationships. They all have fucked up relationships. As Chaiway is abusive. Is drugs. It's like, dude, why, bro? There must be something bigger happening behind the scenes, bro. You know what I mean? It has to be, dog. Because after la wega tidi feel like bro talk after la wega tidi Hollywood. No one's saying
there's
shit.
No parties. There's no all white parties.
People are moving and shit. Ooh, Ellen DeGeneres went back to London. I didn't even know the bitch was England. England. She's related to the Rothschilds. Like in there again.
Bloodline, poison.
Not bloodline like that's my uncle type shit.
Yeah.
Bloodline is like almost 1,000 years from now. That's my uncle, bro. She's in there.
Yeah.
And Rothschild is like, my England. Yeah. So she went back to England and shit,
One
bro.
of the richest families in the
also,
world.
And like, bro, calling away that I've been like watching this shit. It's like, dude, as soon as these rich people go out of the spotlight, they age faster. Are you born away? Ellen DeGeneres.
Look at Ellen DeGeneres right now.
Season, she's gonna look young again. All of these people, bro. I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you people?
It's a peel like what this guy made.
For a long time, we took it in like, dude, what the fuck? I grew up and this nigga was still like this, bro.
Nigga be 25 for 3 years.
Look at Tom Cruise, dog.
Look at Tom Cruise.
There's a picture, bro, of Tom Cruise in an interview with a kid in a film.
Yeah.
This kid is his son in the movie, and he was 4 years old. Then there's another interview with the same kid. That kid looks 40 something, bro. Tom Cruise still looks the same, bro. You can't tell me you eating healthy or come on, bro. Fuck you.
This guy who dates kids.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Look, that nigga been pretty for how long, bro?
There's this other joke I was talking Oscars. It's like this show started at the morning. It took a long time to start. Sorry guys, it took like 4 hours to actually start the show. Like even it dates Leonardo DiCaprio was not his type after this.
She got older.
She got older, though. Famous is like, let's talk about Tyler Perry. So Tyler Perry is actually like this other white actor, forgot his name, Derek something. So
he probably doesn't act anymore.
Yeah, so YouTuber like Donald Trump, Tyler Perry sexually harassed him. They had a bottle of wine, and then it's been a long time since I have had sex, and then after that to our car trial, let's talk spare room and all that. And then boom, like he was sexually harassed, like he got
fucked,
something like that. And
no disrespect, I'm sorry.
And Google messages, right? Like conversations, like Zabo on the phone, but abantu to the city, no man. Like even on these messages, it's not like Lomlo. Like it's not like this person is saying I'm uncomfortable with so he's suing Tyler Perry for $260 million just for
look man, I'm gonna say Yazim that dog. We don't like, all we know about these people is their work and like he is Filipino and stuff. Real talk, bro. You can't judge a person based on a movie you liked and shit like that. These people are people. But people are liars and that's what I'm saying. We shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, but that's how most of us look at people. Based on their work and shit. You don't understand about well, you think Drake is a killer? You think Drake is a gangster? Bro, that nigga
is a killer and a gangster.
Bro, he'll phone someone to do that shit. What I'm saying is he's not the guy that he portray. That's an act. That's a entertainment, bro. That's entertainment. Yeah, bro.
It's entertaining you, dog.
Real talk, man. Like,
you think Tyler Perry did it.
Yeah. Tyler.
Right,
bro. Fuck that shit. He's your brother, bro. That nigga, bro. Tyler Perry been weird. Boondocks. Episode about that. He grooms niggas. All the young black actors does from the blow ups. And he does things to them and shit like that.
One of your friends there, dog.
He's one of those. Hey, bro. Hey, shout out to my nigga. Bro. Shout out to my nigga. Protect your bully. Anyway, so yeah, man. Yeah, dude. I think he did it, bro, because and it was one of the last seasons got Boondocks, and Boondocks never released a season after that. And he sued them for that episode. Yeah, that's why I believe he did it. Why wouldn't you Boondocks or Chris Brown? Or even R. Kelly. R. Kelly was in Boondocks trying to fucking rape kids. He never sued nobody, bro. Because if you're gonna be Anzoti, if it offends you, there has to be some truth in it.
Yeah. But at the same time, it like can ruin your image, dog. Like,
listen to me. That cartoon was not gonna ruin his image. What ruined his image is him suing him for a cartoon. That's what I'm saying. It made it look like now, oh shit, this is true. No one's caught shit's never been ruined.
But sometimes funny, funny, dog. Some people don't like people when they talk about
nah, for real, man.
It sparks something.
Yeah, dude. Because Boondocks has implicated every single person, especially black. Yeah. Who sues a cartoon? Unless you express a nyanli. I think he sued because as allegations like there's Puma and then Boondocks made that cartoon, so too many things were happening, so he was trying to shut down a lot of fires at once. Otherwise, R. Kelly they said good with career, but then they were just dissing by he's pissing on girls and shit like that. Chris Brown, they call it after he beat up Rihanna, he was there in Boondocks beating people up. He didn't sue nothing. He probably watches Boondocks and laughs. Yeah, boy.
So okay, say Tyler Perry did it. I beg to disagree. Tyler Perry is Cat Williams said by Tyler Perry is weird. And I believe Cat Williams.
I believe Cat 100%. We don't know these niggas, but hey, bro,
I think like it's Cat Williams who weird, dog, because after Cat Williams spoke on that club Shay, everything just erupted, dog.
Nigga said by expose but real talk, I do believe everything that happens in America is like all these things, dog. They're all cover-ups, bro. And then you know the good thing about Awesome Lies is that the more truth in the lie, the better it is. So I do believe that these people are doing these things, but then I believe the people in power, let them come out whenever they need a distract. See you like now go on my trousers, every single time a major thing's gonna happen in the world, like government wise, political wise, or the world, something happens with some big celebrity, so that everybody stops asking questions.
Even in South Africa as well.
Yeah, bro.
We know about South Africa. He World Cup.
That's what that makes me believe that the whole world, all governments, bro, they're all in one team, and then they all decide. When the Rothschilds say, "Okay, this now," they all this, "Okay, America, okay, Africa, it's your turn now to take the L." Yeah, you guys always take the L, but no, dog, they all decide, bro. It's like. Diggy, man, let me in the club, bro. Give me a job or some shit, bro. Shit, gang.
But yeah, Fetch, I just want to say, hey, anything else you want to add on, dog?
Hey, dog, please don't start World War 3 now, bro. Like,
I think
give us some time.
Years,
dog, bro.
That's
hundreds, bro. Like, it's gonna start within us, bro. We're not gonna die. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen.
There's something that's gonna happen.
For the past 2 years, there's been too much talk, too much commotion. As you can say, dog, something's gonna happen. They're just looking for reasons now. They're just looking for reasons now. How are we gonna involve
Congo?
Congo was his business.
Iran, things are happening, dog. But yeah, let's hope everything goes well. 2026, maybe say more trade. Merch is coming soon. I think I can buy the merch this time for real, dog. You gotta buy that merch. And yeah, dog, if you reach this point, if you're around Walmart, if there's a venue that you want to I want to do this now, like venue, which space is cool.
Oh yeah.
Fun lights is cool la way, yabo. Squads nabantu and fun ban baye phago man.
Yeah.
For nice space bangasazi abantu la way. But at the same time, yeah, dog, thank you for watching if you have watched this shit, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow us on our social medias. Emo Training all the time. Lloydstaxx, TXR, Mbasa, Mbeezy, Mangiyesi. So it's not here, but shout out to him too, dog. See you on the next episode. Yeah. Naila.
Yeah, man.
Moshe kanjani bathini Paula Snake gang ngijing sisembolweni